guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Meeden Acrylic Painting. So today we are gonna do unboxing. This is actually a starter kit, guys, for beginners. This has a lot of stuff in here, so we're gonna start opening it. Let me move back from Amazon. So this is it, and the rest is bubble wrap. So let's open this one. Look at that. You see that? Open it. Let me show you. So anyway guys, I got it out of the box already. So I'm gonna be showing you what was in the box, and all of this are for $21 something. Titan canvas panel, an easel, brushes, which is good, but one is broken, but it's okay. It's flat brush, angle brush, fan brush, and a small round brush. And then the acrylic paint, which is 12 acrylic paints, and right there is the colors. And then a mini easel, guys. And yeah, so that was it. For the price, I think it's really good for starting kit for beginners. And for if you wanna try painting, I think this is a good idea. You can look for it on Amazon. Just look for this brand. It's not a sponsor, guys. I use my own money to buy this product. So yeah. So thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. See you. Bye.